Monday, July 22nd. I did an order this morning. I was at the house and I got a 40, like 21 miles double. It wasn't that good, but I'd rather take that than get nothing. Just now we got a 37 or 38 going 8 or 9 miles for 18 items, which was not bad at all.
I'm too lit. Take 2 more shots if I don't feel it. Take 1 more.
After delivering that $33 order, I waited for about 4 hours before finally getting a $74 batch. By the end of the day, we wrapped up with a total of $148.32. I went to go drop my cousin off at work this morning, and now we're at urgent care because she called me. Can you come pick me up? I cut my finger. She got 3 stitches. 3 stitches. Still haven't done an order, but we'll get something. Today is July 24th. I woke up early this morning and I went to the gym. Then I got home and took a shower and got ready. Then I took my cousin to work, came to the store, and we waited for like a good 20-25 minutes and we didn't see anything. And then she called me crying. She cut her finger at work. I picked her up, took her to urgent care. Then I dropped her back off at the house. It's 4 p.m. right now. And we have not gotten a single order today. I kid you not. I think I've seen 2 Wegmans batches the entire day. I finished Tuesday with 0 earnings for the day. Wednesday was mostly spent editing, so I didn't make any money that day either. By Thursday, my total earnings for the week were still just at $148.
I wanna be somewhere you can't even melt.
Today is Thursday, July 25th. We got 1 order for $40 and I haven't seen any other order. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna keep my app open, and if I get any orders, I will most definitely take them. I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. Deuces.
This anger could be detrimental, but
Today is Friday morning. I have had the roughest week in the history of Instacart weeks. It has been brutal. I think we're only at like 187 for the week. I just got a 40. It's 11:30 in the morning right now. It's a 40, 11 miles, 40 items, and it's a single. I should be able to do this in under maybe an hour and 15 max.
I've been looking for roots in the dirt of the South. I've been searching for peace of mind, cause the fruit is gone rotten in this American pie. Just look in my eyes.
I just got like super excited because I thought I got a 40 and it was a 49 miles, I think 21 items, and it was like, you know, loading when I took it, and I didn't get it. I really thought I was gonna be at $80 today. Yeah, I'm about to go back to waiting. I'll catch you guys later.
1 hour later.
Problems in my life. No more problems in my life.
After I did that 48 going 20 miles, I went to the house real quick to get something to eat. We just got a 27 1 mile, 22 items. It's kind of bulky, but that's okay because the tip is pretty decent.
Plus all the love I sacrificed to fix the problems in my life.
After delivering the 27, I went home, had some dinner, and got a 33 at 9:21 p.m. We finished the order just before 10 p.m. and wrapped the day up with $150. So it is Saturday morning. I am on a waking up late streak. It is 1 p.m. and I'm leaving my house right now. We just got a 29, 5 miles, 20 something items double. It's 2:30 right now. Last night I got a 37 at like 9 something p.m. and it put us at 150 for the day, which was good in my book for this month. It has been a crazy rough month, mostly because I'm not diamond and also because I have been waking up consistently late.
Don't you go off now. Look, hey, y'all, I woke up this morning living my best life. And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time.
Today is Sunday morning. We're only at like 370 something for the week. Honestly, insane. I got here early today and I haven't seen absolutely anything. It is 9 a.m. right now and I got a 28 miles, 21 items. I'm just gonna start taking these, even though it's gonna be like a 17 to 20 minute drive for those 8 miles.
You only got one life and it do it fast, but I know you got problems.
It's 11:06 right now. We just got our second order. It's a 49, 9 miles, 19 items. It should put us at $68, which is better than I did yesterday. So I will see you guys later.
I'm looking for a good vibe. I'm looking for a good vibe.
Just pulled in and I got a 47 triple, 45 items. It puts us over $100 and it is 12:09 in the afternoon.
I just want a good vibe. Yeah, I just want a good vibe. Yeah, smoke blowing in the sky. Yeah, everybody getting high. I just want a good vibe.
It is 2 p.m. right now. Just got a 40, 10 miles, double, 38 items. It should put us around 150, 155.
Yeah, let's just get high. I'm looking for a good vibe. I'm looking for a good.
I just got a 25 mile single, 3 items. I should be able to do this order in like 30 minutes.
Pour me up. Yeah. Fuck it this time. Life on the line. Killing my heart.
It is 5:30 right now and we just got a 42, 9 miles, 19 items. Pretty good order. I'm gonna go in there and bang this order out and it puts us at 218.
Pour it up, pour it up, pour it up, pour it up.
It's Monday morning and it is the last 3 days of the month. Thank God. I think we're only at like barely $4,000 for the month, which is terrible. I spent a couple days this month just solely editing videos. Yesterday was the best day of last week. We made $223, I think. Sundays usually never fail me, so yesterday was good. That was the highest total I had for last week. It is noon right now. I've been at the store for like an hour and a half to 2 hours, and I haven't seen anything. This month, I've been consistently waking up late, and the money that I've made this month really reflects that. We just got our first order of the day. It's a 41, 17.5 miles, double, 49 items. So we're gonna go bang this out as fast as humanly possible. We're at $0 right now and it is past noon.
Why'd you had to come out so cute tonight? You gon' make me drink till I puke tonight. I can't even lie. I don't know if I feel right. Fuck it. You plus me equals us. Baby, don't count me out. He comes on. Breezy baby. Yeah.
He comes on like what?
Breezy baby. You know how Chris Brown does it.
Yo, someone tag Chris Brown. So we just got a 51, 3 miles, double, 51 items, 144 units. Most of the units are individual cans of cat food, so that's all good with me. I'm gonna go in here, bang this order out, and it should put us around $90 for the day.
Drops, kinda like raindrops. Your face can be my sunshine and help the rain stop. I'm cold-hearted, I don't mean to make the flame stop. I think about it every time.
So today has been another super rough day for me. It's been mad slow. So right now we're at $89 for the day with those 2 orders we did, and it is 8:30. But we just got a 54 single, 0.9 miles, 41 items, but it's not from Wegmans, it's from Giants, which is not my ideal store to shop at, but 0.9 miles is 0.9 miles. So we're gonna go bang this order out real quick.
It ain't really work, but that's okay. Life goes on to a new day, but you got me drinking on a Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday morning. Tomorrow is the last day of this month. We are delivering a 22, 3 miles, 12 items, single.
Like that for you.
So I think we're at $22 right now. We got a 26 going 2.5 miles for 28 items. 1 customer. This puts us at $48 for the day. It's almost noon right now.
I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that.
Today is Wednesday, July 31st. It's almost 11:30 right now. It is the last day, so I'm going to try to make as much money as I can. Depends on what they show me. It is 1 p.m. right now, and we are still at $0. I'm convinced Instacart just has me on freeze. It also has a lot to do with me being platinum, because I was just inside with VAR. He got a 67 18 items. He got a really good order, and I didn't see it. So remember how I told you guys VAR got that, what was it, a 67? 62. It's 2 p.m. right now. I think it's like 30 minutes later. What did you just get?
42.
He got a 42. He's on his way back to the store, and I've been sitting here and I haven't seen anything.
Yep, you gotta get the diamond. You're on a dookie list.
Yeah. So back to waiting. I'll catch you guys if and when we finally get an order. VAR just called me, and he has a flat tire, and he has that order. So I'm gonna go see if he can take my car, and I'll just figure out what to do with his.
You're the only thing I think of. In the morning when I'm yawning, when I wake up, I've been thinking that it's something I can fight for. Maybe something I would even give my life for.
It's 4:21 right now. We're still at $0, but we just got an 18 1 mile 15 items first order of the day, which is crazy.
I'm gonna break all the rules. I'ma work hard and pay all of my dues. My name is Bishop and I got the juice. I am somebody you don't want to lose.
It is 7 p.m. right now. All we did was that one order for $18, and listen, I've been looking, they're just not showing me. I haven't done the math yet, but I think we barely hit $4,000. Like, when I say barely, I think we might not even have hit it. You've seen my struggles this month. There was a day where I sat for like 7 hours in the parking lot, and I didn't see a single order. I will catch you guys in the next video.
All you do is spectate. I'm the only one running this rat race. I got a lot of enemies, and I was too close and I could not see that you would be the one to leave me stranded.